how to insert smart art in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your Microsoft PowerPoint slides more appealing by using the smart art feature. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Microsoft PowerPoint, then go to the slide where you want to insert the smart art, then tap on insert on the ribbon bar on top. You will see smart art option beside chart. Just tap on it and you can choose from various smart arts here. You can see various categories. You can browse through it and choose the one of your choice. Just tap on it and then hit OK. And now a smart art will be added and you can just edit according to your wish. You can even change the colors if you want to, and you can even change the size, place it anywhere of your wish. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.